Good morning, everyone. So the next problem is we have to find A in this, wherein we have a equation kind of a matrix that is given to us, where 2, -1, 2 and 0 plus 2A is equal to -4, 5, 6 and 8. So we have a 2 into 2 matrix and a 2 into 2 matrix given, where we are supposed to find A. Now, this we can change a little and write the matrix, right? So that the 2A will come on one side and rest of the matrices are on the other side. Okay, so what we will be doing is, we'll keep 2A here as it is and we'll take this matrix to the other side. So then what is going to happen is, you will have 2A is equal to, first write down this matrix as it is, that is -4, 5, 6 and 8. And if you get the matrix from here, from your left hand side to the right hand side, this matrix is plus. Excuse me. This matrix is plus here. If it comes to the other side, it is going to become minus. So minus 2, -1, 2 and 0. Okay. Now I have just rephrased the complete equation where I have 2A on one side. Now we have these two matrices where we can subtract them. So let us subtract this matrix. So 2A is equal to -4 -2, 5 minus of -1, 6 -2, 8 -0. Okay. Now the next value is gonna be -4 -2. I will get -6. So 2A is equal to, I'll get -6. Then 5 minus of -1. So 5 plus 1 is nothing but +6. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, Sindhu has given me the answer. Correct, Sindhu. The answer is right. So 6 minus 2 is 4. And finally, 8 minus 0 is 8. So this is the value for 2A. Now, I have 2 into A on one side. If I take this 2 to the other side, since it is multiplication, it is gonna become division. So when it becomes division onto the other side, I can write it as 1 by 2 into the matrix. 1 by 2 into the matrix. So here what I'm going to do is, A is equal to 1 by 2 into -6, 6, 4, 8. Did you understand the step? Why I did 1 by 2? Yes. Listen carefully, concentrate here well. We have 2A is equal to a matrix. Now, A is equal to 2. If it comes to the other side, it is going to become division. Correct? So if you see here, -6, 6, 4, 8 divided by 2. Take it like this. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Now, since it is whole divided by 2, it means that all of the Yeah, all of the elements in the matrix is supposed to be divided by 2. Okay. Now, minus 6 by 2, 6 by 2, 4 by 2, 8 by 2. Since we divided 2 for the complete matrix, it will be division of each and every element. Now, therefore, I will get the matrix for A, which is nothing but 2 ones are, 2 threes are, again 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So, the final value will be minus 3, 3, 2 and 4. So this will be the matrix A. Now did you understand? Yes? Want me to repeat any part once again? Okay, good. Then let us go to the next problem. Now in this problem, again they have given us two matrices. Now we have to find the answer for two questions. So let us see what are the two questions. Find a 2 into 2 matrix X. Okay, we have to find a 2 into 2 matrix and the matrix name is X such that A minus X is equal to 3B. So we have to find a new matrix X where if you apply that in this equation, you should be able to get the answer as 3B. A minus X is equal to 3B you should get. This is question number 1. And the question number 2 is find A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, so first let us solve the first question and then we will come to the, excuse me. Let us solve the first question and then we'll come to the second one. Now, the first question is, they have given us an equation here that is nothing but A minus X is equal to 3B. Now, keeping this equation only, we will try and solve and find out the new matrix X. How do we do that? We will keep X onto one side and rest of the elements onto the other side. Okay, so what we are going to do here is A minus 3B, I'm getting 3B to the other side and I'm taking X to the other side. So plus 3B will become minus 3B, minus X will become plus X. Okay, so therefore X is equal to A minus 3B. So this is the total equation. Now we know what is A, we know what is B. But we just have to find out 3B here and solve the equation. Did you understand this first step? Sindhu, 2, 12, 4 is correct. 10 has to be minus. Just check if the values are right. Did you all understand this step here, the equation part? Okay. Now let us apply as per the equation. So the equation told us X is equal to A minus 3B. So what is A? The matrix of A has to be written. So 2, 3, 1 and minus 1. That is A. And then minus 3 into, what is the matrix of B? 0, minus 3, minus 1 and 3. Okay, Sindhu. Good. So if I solve this, I will be getting the matrix X. So let us do that. So first we will be multiplying 3 into the B matrix. So I will keep the A matrix as it is. So A will remain as it is, 2, 3, 1 and minus 1. Now minus second matrix, that is B, I am only multiplying it with 3 here. So 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So I have got 3B. 3B is also ready. Now let us subtract both of them so that we will be able to get the matrix X. So X is equal to 2 minus 0, 3 minus of minus 9, 1 minus of minus 3 and minus 1 minus 9. Okay. So therefore X is equal to 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus of minus 9 is plus. Minus into minus is plus. So 3 plus 9 is 12. Then 1 minus of minus 3 is 1 plus 3, which is 4. Minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10. So the value or the matrix of X is 2, 12, 4 and minus 10. So this is how we find out the 2 into 2 matrix, that is X. So understood this? Understood the first question? Any doubts? Okay. So going back here to the question, if you see here, we finished the first question, 2 into 2 matrix, where we have to find X with the equation. Now the second question is find A transpose plus B transpose. Now the transpose of a matrix means we are going to change the rows into columns. Transpose of a matrix means we are going to change rows into columns. So rows into columns, how are we going to change it? So the second one, they have asked us to find A transpose plus B transpose. So let us find out A transpose first and then we'll find the addition of both of them. Okay. So what is A? See, transpose, I can use either you can write it just as one small 1 or you can write it as T. Okay. Both the denotions are same. If at all you find it as T, then also it is A transpose. Okay. Now, what is the matrix A? The matrix A is 2, 3, 1, minus 1 and transpose of that. Now, transpose means I told you that the rows will be changed to columns and the column will be changed to rows as usual. Okay. Now, if you see here, first one, 2, 3. This is the first row. Now, let us convert this first row into the first column. So, 2, 3 will become the first column. Next, what is the second row? 1 and minus 1. Correct? So this is going to become our second column. Sindhu, are you giving that answer for A transpose plus B transpose? The final answer? Okay, good, good. So the second row will become the second column, that is 1 and minus 1. So this is the value for A transpose. Now similarly, let us find out B transpose. That is, what is the B matrix? 0, minus 3, minus 1 and 3. And transpose of this. So first row will become first column, that is 0 and minus 3. And then second row will become second column, minus 1 and 3. Okay, now that we have A transpose and B transpose, let us add them. So A transpose plus B transpose is equal to 2, 1, 3 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 3, 3. So now add them. Let us do it in the next page. So when you add them, what do you get? 2 plus 0, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 3, minus 1 plus 3. So therefore, A transpose plus B transpose is equal to 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So this should be your answer for A transpose plus B transpose. Did you all understand this problem? How about others? Okay, good. Now moving on to the next problem. Now in such problems, see in matrices you will find problems like this: verify, show that. So in such problems you will have question as well as answers. So you just have to make sure that you get the final answer whatever is given in the question. Now take for example this question. Here they have asked us to verify that 5a 5a whole transpose is equal to 5 into A transpose. So here we just have to prove it. We will not get some out of the box answer. You will have to get the matrices same for both of these values. For 5A transpose and 5 into A transpose, both we have to get the same matrix. So such problems are very easy and it is scoreable also. The only thing what you have to do is write neatly and clearly in the examination. Okay, now let us start and find out what all we require. Now if you see here, we are supposed to find out 5A transpose, this is on the LHS, and 5 into A transpose, this is on the RHS. Okay. Now what all should we find in this? Firstly, we have to find out 5 into A. Yes, and then we have to find out A transpose, and then we have to multiply 5 into A transpose. These are the major things we have to find. So what we will do, we will consider one by one. We will first take LHS and we will solve, and then we will take RHS and we shall solve it. Did you all understand the question? Did you all understand the question? Okay, good. Now let us start. Solution. Consider LHS, that is left hand side, which is nothing but 5A whole dash or transpose. So first what we will do is, we will first find out 5 into A, which is nothing but 5 into the matrix of A is given 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay. It is a scalar matrix. Correct, Sindhu. It's a scalar matrix. So let us see how it will be done. So every element here is supposed to be multiplied with 5. Okay. So 5 into 1. I'll get 5 ones are 5. 5 into 2. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 twos are 10. 5 fours are 20. 5 sixes are 30. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. So this is the value of 5A. 5 into A. This is not the final answer. This is the value of 5 into A. Now on LHS, they have asked us to find 5A whole transpose. So we are supposed to find out 5A whole transpose. Now we know what is 5A, that is 5, 10, 15, 10, 20, 30, and then 5, 10, 15. Transpose. Now I told transpose is nothing but interchange of your rows into columns. Correct? So the first row, that is 5, 10, 5 is going to become your column. Sorry, 5, 10, 15. So 5, 10, 15 will become your first column. Now second row will become second column. So second row is 10, 20, 30. Third row, third column. So 5, 10, 15. Wait a second. Yeah, 5, 10, 15. So this will be your answer for LHS, that is 5A into whole matrix. So for this, we will just write, we'll just put this as 1 so that we can refer to this later. So did you all understand the LHS? Any doubts in the LHS part? Okay. Now let us consider the RHS. Consider RHS, that is 5 into A transpose. Now here we are supposed to find out the A transpose. Okay. So first find out A transpose, which is nothing but what is A that is given to us? 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. Transpose. So first row will become first column. So 1, 2, 3. Second rows will become second column. 2, 4, 6. Third row will become third column. Again 1, 2, 3. Fine. Now 5 into A transpose is 5 into this matrix, that is A transpose. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 3. Now let us see if we will get this or not. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fours are 20, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 six are 30, 5 threes are 15. So did we get the same answer? There is 1, this is 2. Okay. So since both 1 and 2 are same, so you have to write the conclusion. From 1 and 2, 5A whole transpose is equal to 5 into A transpose, hence verified. Okay, so here we took 1 and 2 both are same. So that is what they also asked us to verify, and we have done. Understood this problem? Any doubts here? Everybody understood? Okay. Now moving further is a statement problem. Listen carefully. It's very easy. Just the problem seems bigger, but the answer is easy. Okay. Now, if the revenues of a firm from 2 branches on the products are given to as, so they have given us products. There are 3 products and there are 2 branches for the products. Okay, so since there are 3 products, that is XYZ, and there are 2 branches for the products, then and the cost of the same are given as, so this is the revenue, this is the revenue matrix and this is the cost matrix. Okay, one is revenue matrix. Revenue is the income. Cost is what we are spending, is called as the cost. So we have a cost matrix. Now we are supposed to find the profit. Now profit is nothing but whatever we get as income minus our expenses or the cost. If we subtract both of them, then we will be getting, the result will be the profit. Okay, so we are going to consider this data as the revenue matrix and this data as the cost matrix, and we will subtract both of them. Once we subtract both of them, what is the result that we get? That will be the profit. Did you all understand the question first of all? Understanding question is important once again. Understood the question? Now let us solve the problem. So firstly, we will write down the formula, that is nothing but profit is equal to revenue minus cost. Here I know what is the revenue matrix, I know what is the cost matrix, so we will subtract both of them. Okay, so revenue in matrix format. Now in the question, if you see, they have given us like this, products, branches. But when we are taking it into matrix form, only numbers has to be considered. So here you will have 50, 75, 100, 75, 75, 25, 30. So this is going to be my revenue matrix. Now, if you see the matrix here, Ravi, concentrate. If you see the matrix here, the products and the branches are given where you have X, Y, Z and you have A, B. Now, when I'm taking this into the matrix format, I will not take any of these details, that is A, B, X, Y, Z. None of this will be taken. Okay, what I will take directly is these numbers, that is 50, 75, 100, 75, 25, 30. Only this part of the matrix will be considered as a revenue matrix. Revenue matrix is nothing but the income. Now, how do I know I have to take this as revenue matrix? It is given in the question, if the revenues of a firm. So they have mentioned this in the question itself. Okay, so that is the revenue matrix. Now moving further, we have the cost matrix. So here again, we will only take the numbers, that is 25, 25, 35, 45, 10 and 15. We will not be considering any of this X, Y, Z and A, B in the matrix. Okay, so next will be cost in matrix format, which is nothing but take the numbers 25, 25, 35, 45, 10 and 15. Now understood? Any doubts still here? The revenue matrix and the cost matrix. Understood or not? Okay. Now what is that we have to do is, we just have to subtract these two matrices. You'll be getting, Sindhu, the final answer should be profit, not revenue matrix. Okay, your answer is right, but then the revenue, it's not revenue matrix, but it's going to be profit. Okay, now let us subtract these two matrices according to the formula. So profit is equal to, what is the revenue matrix? 50, 75, 100, 45, 50, sorry, 45, no, not 45. 50, 75, 100, 75, 25, 30. This is revenue matrix minus cost matrix is 25, 25, 35 and then 45, 10 and 15. Okay, okay, no problem, Sindhu. So profit is equal to, subtract them, 50 minus 25, 75 minus 25, 100 minus 35, 75 minus 45, 25 minus 10 and 30 minus 15. So profit is equal to 50 minus 25 is 25. 75 minus 25 is 50. 100 minus 35 is 65. 75 minus 45 is 30. 25 minus 10 is 15. And 30 minus 15 is 15. So therefore, this is the profit matrix that we were supposed to arrive at, and we got the matrix. Clear? All that you have to remember in such problem is the formula, where you have to know revenue is income and the cost is the expense. So revenue minus cost, income minus expense will give you profit. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Did you all understand? Can you guys answer quickly? Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll do this problem in the next class, okay? Because if we start now, we'll not be able to complete it. We'll do it in the next class.